It's like voodoo, it's like jazz, it's like juju. I don't understand. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Okoyemi Goddess, and on this channel I talk about love, relationships, marriage, nursing, lifestyle, and basically everything fun. If you're new to this channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I really love you, I celebrate you, and I appreciate you. Like, I really love you. Thank you for coming. Anyways, for the old subscribers, my returning subscribers, you guys are like, oh gosh, you guys are my G's. I really love you so much. Thank you so much, guys, for sticking to this channel. I really celebrate you. I love you, and God bless you. So today, guys, you can already tell from the title of this video that I'll be talking about something that is driving me crazy at the moment. So some weeks ago, this particular thing was trending on Twitter. That was about 2 weeks ago, and funny enough, I almost talked about it, but then I waved it aside. Again, some days ago, this same matter was trending on Twitter with another vendor, and I think just yesterday I now saw that a particular vendor just bought like 3 cars from selling this product, and bought her house in Lekki or something like that. Anyways, that's none of my business. My business now is to talk about the consumers of this product, like people who like spend their hard-earned money to buy this product and then use this product. So let me give you like a background story. So I'll basically be talking about Kayamata, Attraction Oil, Favor Oil. Like, all these products have several names: Special Package Oil, and Favor. They have like loads and loads of names. Anyways, so background story for my own research about Kayamata specifically. Now, I know that Kayamata is like a natural aphrodisiac, and I had to ask some of my friends who grew up in the north, and then some who still live in the northern part of Nigeria. I had to like make some inquiries from them. And from my research and from what I've always known about Kayamata, it's basically like some sort of herbs, and it's like natural herbs. Well, herbs are meant to be natural anyways. So it's like herbs, and of course it's a natural aphrodisiac, and it actually just helps to increase your libido and all that. And I also like heard or learned from my research that it's something that like, if you're getting married as a woman and you're a northerner, in some northern states, like, it's part of the things they will give to you, like when you're going to your husband's house or when you're like getting married, just like increase your libido and all that, because of course you're expected to like marry as a virgin. That's what I got from my research. And the thing is, up until now, I never saw anything wrong in using Kayamata for people who use it, like Kayamata itself, like the herbs itself, because I just felt, oh, it's natural. And it's just the way like we take natural things, like the way we take ginger, the way we take garlic, the way we take like moringa powder. For me, I just felt whatever is like natural is natural. Like, I've never had anything against Kayamata, to be sincere. The same way like people take there's this other natural product, Silky Cola. Like, those things are like natural. Like, it's the way you're taking like nuts, the way you're taking fruits and all of that. So I never saw anything wrong with it. And for me, I just felt it was just like a regular thing. For like, I never saw it as something wrong for people who usually take those things. Well, I don't take them, but I just never saw it as something like so bad. It's just the way like people tell you that, oh, if you like take dates, tiger nuts, and coconut, like blended together, and you take like a smoothie, like it kind of increases your libido. I remember when I got married, that was like the first suggestion from a few of my friends, like, have you actually tried blending tiger nuts, coconut, and dates? Like, it's so good to increase your libido. Funny enough, I actually tried, and then see, this particular mixture, it was really sweet. So besides the fact that people say that increases libido, it's actually like very sweet, and I like sweet things anyway. So now I'm talking about dates, tiger nuts, and coconuts. So for me, that was the same perception I had about Kayamata. Like, it's just like taking fruit and all that. Of course, I've never taken Kayamata, please, but I'm just saying that was the impression I had. I never ever like had anything against it up until now. And then I discovered that, wait, what these vendors are actually like selling, these Instagram vendors, what they're actually selling, or Facebook vendors, what they're selling, is not like the actual Kayamata from the north, like from the northern part of Nigeria. No, It's like voodoo, it's like jazz, it's like juju. I don't understand. Like, it's not like the natural thing I thought it was. So this particular lady like came online 2 weeks ago, and she kept talking about how you can actually use this particular product to get money from a man. Like, if you're like in a relationship, or if you're seeing someone, I wouldn't know how she put it. If I can still find the video, I'll probably just put it up here if I still like find the video.
Products that has been made for Femi on Lawal or Uchenna. It doesn't work like that. That is why it's called the special package. And I usually give my warnings. I usually tell people what and what not to do. Secondly, what comes in the special package? We don't know. The special package can come in form of a syrup, a wand, a spice, a jelly, anything at all. There are different types of products. It depends on your request. Ask, okay, Amashala, what if the side chick is using a special package on your husband? See, you guys have to do survival of the fittest, or survival for the fittest. That one I can't say, because
she kept talking about how you can actually keep a man with this product, how you can collect money from a man with this product, how you can make a man love you with this product. And I was just like, what? Like, why would you like want someone to love you by force? Like, this is just so appalling. And as if that was not enough, some days ago I stumbled on another video of another lady who was saying it with so much audacity, with so much confidence, that, oh, like, this is even for like if you want to be a side chick and all that. Like, oh, I was just like frustrated. Like, do people actually patronize these people? Like, for real? Do you know, up until now I used to think that people who sell all this kind of jazz, favor oil, attraction oil, or wishy oil, I just felt like they were just doing it for like advert sake, like marketing sake. I never thought that people actually like patronize them for real, like spending their money. And I heard that these things are really expensive, because I had to like dig for that, read about it. I even went ahead to read testimonials on people's pages, and people actually use these things for real. So this brings me to my question. Do you think Kaya Mata can actually keep a man? Like, as a woman, you want to keep a man for the rest of your life. You want to be happy with a man for the rest of your life. Do you think Kaya Mata, well, don't let me say Kaya Mata, because Kaya Mata is like natural. Do you think like they assorted Kaya Mata? Because this is not like the natural Kaya Mata anyways. Now they've added so much jazz and juju. In my opinion, that is what I think. I don't think this is like natural. I think this is just like some sort of jazz, some sort of voodoo, to be sincere. So do you think these assorted Kaya Mata, assorted special package, whatever that they're selling online, attraction oil, favor oil, do you think these things can actually keep a man? Like, don't be fooled. You might be able to get money from a man today, tomorrow, for the next few weeks, for the next few months, for the next 1 year, but a day will come that this particular jazz, or the assorted jazz, whatever it is, would actually like fade away or dissolve. So what happens to you when it dissolves? Oh, you're going to like move to another man. I get it, because it's not like you even want to stay in this relationship in the first instance. You just want to use the so-called assorted Kaya Mata or the oil to collect money from this man, and then when you've had enough of his money, you move to another man. This is just like crazy. Like, why do people do this kind of things? You can't keep a man with jazz. Well, you may be able to keep him for a while, but it just won't last. Now, as a woman or as a lady, and you want a committed relationship, you want to be happy in your marriage, you basically just want to like find a man who will love you for who you are, who will be like your partner for life. You don't want to hold him down with Kaya Mata, assorted Kaya Mata. You don't want to hold him down with attraction oil or special package oil. That is just wrong on all sides. So I don't know, I'm just kind of worried. I'm just thinking, like, why do people do all this kind of things? Why would a woman stoop so low to force herself on a man? Because to be sincere, you're technically just forcing yourself on a man. Because if the man like truly loves you, genuinely loves you, and is ready to be committed to you, he will spend his money on you. if your man genuinely loves you, he would end up getting married to you. He would take good care of you. He would be there for you through thick and thin. And these are basically all the things you want. Like, these are the things you want, and that's much more like the reason why you're even like purchasing this kind of products in the first instance. You want a man to be there for you. You want him to spend his money on you. You don't want him to cheat on you. You don't want him to look at other women. You basically just want his attention on you and you alone. That's probably the reason why you're actually getting these products in the first instance. But I just want to tell you that you don't even need all these kind of products to keep a man. A man that wants to be kept will be kept. You cannot force a man to stay with you. Like, a man that genuinely loves you will stay with you regardless of anything. Like, amidst all odds, the man will strive to stay with you. The man would be committed to you. The man would get married to you if he genuinely loves you. And as women, I just feel that I think some women have some sort of low self-esteem, because that's the only reason why I think a woman will wake up and say, oh, I think this man doesn't love me enough, or I think he doesn't spend so much money on me, and then I'll go ahead and use some sort of jazz to hold him down to spend money on me, or hold him down to get married to me, or I just don't know the rationale behind it. But I just think that some women have some sort of low self-esteem. That's what I think. And because that's the only way you will stoop so low to hold on to a man that you're not even married to, but you want him by all means, and you want him to probably propose to you. So I was reading about a story. So a lady was telling a story of a friend of hers that actually like wanted her boyfriend to propose to her, and she went ahead to buy one of these oils, I think the attraction oil or whatever. And up until now, like a year after, or even like 2 years after, the guy has not like proposed. I think the relationship has even like dissolved. So my point is, you really can't hold on to a man that doesn't want to be held on to. Like, you can't hook a man that doesn't want to be hooked. Like, a man won't stay if he doesn't want to stay, and you don't want that kind of a man. You don't even want a man that won't stay with you in the first instance. So why would you want to use jazz to hold on to that man? It is just ungodly. I can't even reason it out. Like, I can't reason it out. And that's why I feel that some women just have like low self-esteem. Seriously, that's what I feel. You feel you're not good enough for that man to actually choose you. You feel you're not good enough. You feel that man probably has like 1001 other women. It's just like low self-esteem. You think that, or maybe you're not beautiful enough, so the only way you can keep this man is to use some jazz on him. Ladies, this is not true. You can't keep a man that doesn't want to be kept. And we need to look beyond all these things. There are like 1001 things that keeps a man, like 1001 ways to keep a man in a godly way. There are ways you can keep a man. There are ways you can sustain a relationship without even using jazz. I would probably make another video about how you can actually keep a man the right way. There are things you can do to keep a man, and then these things are godly, like godly principles that you can actually make use of, and the man will stay. He won't go anywhere. That's the truth. Like this, if you follow these godly principles, you're hooked to this man for life, because these like principles are based, on the scriptures, and this man won't leave you alone because he's committed to you, he loves you, he loves God. So he's not going to cheat on you. I don't know why people are so preoccupied with the fact that, oh, once they're in a relationship, the guy is like likely to cheat. I know that a guy is likely to cheat, but a woman is likely to cheat if they don't fear God, if they don't love God, if they don't love you. So there are a lot of factors that contribute to the fact that some men cheat or some women cheat. It has nothing to do with hooking them or holding them down with jazz. Seriously, it has nothing to do with that. Anyways, that's what I want to rant about. Guys, what do you think about this assorted kaya matter? I'm saying assorted kaya matter because I know the natural kaya matter is not like jazz. It's just like some sort of herbs, the way we take other herbs. Do you get? So that's why I'm actually calling it like the assorted kaya matter. So guys, what do you think about people who use the assorted kaya matter, who use like the attraction oil, favor oil, this kind of oils that they rub on their body, and then once this particular guy that they like, sees them, like the guy is like hooked for life. The guy will keep like spending his money, spending his time with them and all that. What are your thoughts about this menace? It's really a menace. Like, what do you think about it? Do you think it's right? If you've ever used this product, please let me know if this product actually worked for you. I sincerely want to know from someone, like someone I can relate to, not just the testimonials you read on their pages on Instagram or on Facebook. I want to know if this products really work. So if you've ever used this product in the past, please let me know if this product worked for you and how much it cost, because I also heard that it cost a lot of money to buy this product. So please let me know how much it cost you to get this product, and if it actually worked. Like, how did it work? And if it worked for you, were you able to sustain the relationship? Like, how did you sustain the relationship? I really want to know. Guys, leave the comments below. I would be in the comment section reading all the comments. Just let me know. Or if you've heard about the product, or if you probably have a friend who has used the product in the past, let me just know about this product. Do they really work? Like, do they work for real? Like, they keep a man. These products help you to keep a man. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you've never subscribed to this video or to my channel, why have you not subscribed yet? You don't have to pay a dime. It's actually free. Like, free. Yeah, free. I'm sure you never knew. It's free. So click on the subscribe button now. Please do. Click on the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, click on the notification bell so you always be notified whenever I put up videos on my channel. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section. Like, I need you guys to engage this particular video. And don't forget to share to your loved ones. Guys, just share this video to your loved ones. So don't forget what I said. Comments about what you think about these products and if they actually work. Thank you guys for watching. See you later. Bye.